channel Mads World of Passion. Today I'm starting off with a new series called as the Folk Art of India. In this traditional art series, I'm going to share with you a few traditional paintings or the folk paintings of our country. So let's get started. The first painting that I'm going to share with you all is this one. This is called Cheriyal Scroll Painting Technique or simply the Cherial painting. So before we see how I made this painting, I would like to share or throw some light on the history of this painting. When I say scroll painting, it simply means that the painting is made in a narrative format in the form of a film roll, which basically depicts the stories from the Indian mythology. Now, the basic stories that they depicted were from Krishna Leela, Mahabharata, Ramayana, Vishnu Purana, Shiva Puranas, and so many more. Now, talking about the history of these paintings, in India, each region or village developed its own kind of painting techniques, which were basically, you know, it depended or it basically showed the ethos, the socio-economical conditions that prevailed during those time in the place where these painting really emerged from. Now this particular painting, Cherial, is from the state of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. But today we see a lot of community only belonging to the Cherial town or the village are practicing this traditional folk art form called the Cheriyal scroll painting technique. Now this was a profession of the Kaki Podagalu community which made these paintings. It was actually their profession for a very long time. They used canvases which were made of the khadi cotton, which were treated with the starch that was made from rice, white mud, and a paste that was made with tamarind and gum, which they used to apply a couple of times so that the canvas used to become a little hard and flexible at the same time. Talking about the colors that they used to do or make these paintings were usually the natural extracts that you find from your surroundings, and the natural dyes were used to do the paintings. They used the predominant feature of this painting is the red color that is used as a background, and they used many other colors. Few examples I would say: white, they got it from the seashells, the yellow was from the turmeric, and the black was from the lamb shoot. They made an outline of these sketches on these canvases, and the squirrel hair were tied to a stick and were used as brushes to make the paintings. In the modern day, these paintings are made in a single smaller versions of the scrolls, which basically depicts a character or a story, a single story from our Indian mythology. These are amenable to framing and can be hung on the walls of your modern homes. And the scenes of a simple rural life which depicted women doing their daily chores and men are seen doing farming and some agricultural activities, and kids are shown playing around some festival scenes are depicted and so many others are made today in the same single frames. One such painting that I have made is this one. If you can see this very carefully, here you see two ladies who is playing with another one on the swing, and these two boys are playing with some stones, and this lady here is plucking flowers, and this man here you can see is plucking mangoes from the mango groves, and these ladies here are doing their daily chores. So this is exactly how paintings these days are shown. The same Cherial painting but with a modern touch. So in this video you will see how I've shown in a very simple way how to do these traditional folk arts. You can do them at the comfort of your home and with the help of acrylic paint and regular painting sheets or canvases. So let's see the video. But the drawing or the sketch that I've made is not in the form, because I do not trace any pictures, and usually I do hand drawings, and when I'm doing a hand drawing I erase it, draw it, erase it so many times that it's very hard to make it into videos. So enjoy the rest of the video. loved this video. See you all soon in my next traditional folk art series. Till then, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon for the notifications that you shall be getting once I upload a new video. And don't forget again to like, share and comment below and tell me how you found this entire video to be. The links to all the products that I've used here to make this painting is provided in the description box. So do check out for it. See you all soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.